beautiful day. We got the John Deere 4055, a wagon loaded with bales of hay, and the New Holland BC5070. I got a lot of comments and questions on this baler last time, so I figured I'll do a video on the baler. So New Holland really, for the most part, hasn't changed too much with their balers, but it's a really nice baler. We really like it. We've had good luck with our New Holland small square balers. We were looking at one the other day. You have your Psi gauge here. This needs to be on the one we saw the other day has a nipple that puts it above this gauge, and you can see it from the cab. That would be nice. This is your gauge when I hit that toggle switch and how much I'm going to throw the bale. That's what this is what's showing. When I hit that toggle switch, this will go up and down, so I know where I'm at with that. This field is done great. Yield wise, it's not I mean, it's still first cutting in August hay. I joke around, say first, second, third. It's not horrible looking hay for being baled in August, but it's going to fill up that one side of the barn. We have a kicker on ours. It's 2 belts that shoot it out, and they can shoot like crazy. Like I said, if I really kick that up, I can shoot them over this wagon if I wanted to. So you really gotta find the fine niche, really, and you can lower it down to where you're just dumping them out in just over that little tailgate there, so, or front gate, whatever you want to call it. But if you want to adjust the tension of the bale, like if your bales are too loose, you want to tighten them up, you have a knob right here. So you just want to turn a little bit at a time, well, depending on how loose it is, I guess. You can see your operator's manual for suggested things there. Or if they're too tight and they're breaking, you gotta loosen them up. Obviously, you go the other way. I'll get in the cab in a second and show you some of the functions on there, and then we'll make some hay. But like I said, this field, being August and we're still doing first cutting, it's crazy. You could tell we got a lot of rain and some sunshine, and the weather we had non-rainy days, but the way it's been this season for my area of upstate New York, it's been like rain 2 days, and then it's no rain for 2 days, rain for 2 days, no rain for 2 days, rain for 5 days, no rain for 3 days. But you know, you've had 5 days of rain, so you're trying to let everything dry out. Great for the corn and soybeans and for the grass to grow. If you're trying to make hay, you get this. I don't know if you can see too good. This field is dried up quite a bit, but it's still a little soft in spots. But anyway, the windrows are thick, and they've only been single raked. I'm gonna hop in the tractor and go hook onto another wagon. Yeah, they've only been single raked. It's been doing nothing but growing all summer. So anyway, let's hop in. We'll show you some more functions with this. So I got the John Deere 4055. It's got the 15-speed power shift, and when I'm baling today, I'm only going in first or second gear. So you're looking at 1.4 to max speed is 2 miles an hour because it's so thick. And it's it's really thick hay, and it's like I don't know, it's like a really tough hay. So the other day I was up here baling, and I broke my first shear bolt into the flywheel right there. So I got to experience being out in the field and fixing that. So, which isn't bad, it's not hard. It's just when it's so humid and muggy out, it's like I'm melting, and I start sweating like crazy, and not a fun job. So, but anyway, let me get back up here. So the head, or the pickup head of the baler, is spring loaded, so you can pick it up and down and just kind of lock it in place. It's not hydraulic. You really don't want to be picking it up and down. You want to just pick it up for transport and putting it down while you're baling. So that should be good. So anyway, this is the tensioner. As you can see, it's just a toggle switch. If I pull back, I'm not going to shoot it as far, and then if I increase it, I'm going to shoot it. Like I said, I could shoot it out of the wagon if I wanted to. It's got 2 sets of remotes, or it takes 2 sets of remotes to run this. This far one, we have our rope broke, so I got some baler twine on it, but basically you pull that safety latch out, and then this will swing the tongue one way or the other. And then this right here is my chute. I can move it back and forth. So basically when I'm baling, I can shoot it in there, and then I just kind of move it over a little bit, and it helps you swing back and forth between the toggle switch of how far back you want to shoot it and being able to swing the kicker. You can really make a nice load of hay. So anyway, I'm gonna get this hooked up and let's go start baling. of the old wooden ones. Hopefully get them all on the last wagons.
Like I said, this is the last wagon, empty wagon I have, so the rest are all down there put away. We're gonna come up and head this tomorrow, unload some hay, come up the next day, rake it and bale this, and then we are done with first cut, and this is it. So all this part right there is it. I just gotta hope what we got raked up can fit on this wagon.
So, long day. But we're one step closer to getting that field and first cutting all wrapped up. So anyway, that's basically, you know, that's basically the quick run through of the New Holland BC5070. Oh, when did we get that? I want to say it was back in 2011 maybe, so it's around 10 years old. It's been a good baler for us. I mean, I really don't do a lot of the baling, so oh, yummy. I really don't do a lot of the baling. My dad does probably about 95% of the baling, which, you know, he's the senior man, so he's earned that right to be the one who does all the baling. So it's a good baler. It makes a nice bale. It really packs the hay to it. I remember when I was a teenager, we used to do, you know, 1,000 bale, 1,200, 1,500 bale days. The 1,500 bale days were rough. We used to have a old 570 is what that replaced, and when we got this baler, we were doing like 700, 800 bale days, and it's like, man, is our hay dead? But it seemed like the hay was still there. Well, this is packing more. It really packs a bale, so you could really pack it and make a nice tight bale. So it does a good job. If you're interested in a baler, I definitely recommend it. I don't have anything to compare it to. Like I said, I've only baled a little bit with the 570. Most of my baling's been with this 5070, and never baled with anything but a New Holland baler, so I got nothing to compare it to. But anyway, I think it's a good baler. But anyway, I've rambled on enough. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sweating, and I know we got some awesome pizza places in my town, and we got pizza for dinner, so I'd love to sit here and ramble, but I'm gonna go in and have some pizza. So anyway, thumbs up if you like this video. Drop me a question or comment below. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you have, thumbs up to you. I totally appreciate it. I will see you guys next time. Check out the links in the channel info for my P7810 merch and PO box for fan mail, and I will see you guys next time. Have a good one, everybody.